In the world of smart factories, industrial IoT is the key to unlocking data-driven, networked and intelligent management. The ARM plus FPGA embedded system is the powerhouse behind high-speed industrial data acquisition, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. This system collects real-time data, processes it with precision and displays it in high definition by seamlessly integrating with human-computer interaction. It not only visualizes data for users, but also enhances control flexibility connecting to MES plus ERP systems and the cloud. The FET6254-C SoM is a gateway to this reality. It is based on Texas Instruments' AM6254 multi-core heterogeneous processor, adopting the Cortex-A53 plus Cortex-M4F combination of processing core plus control core architecture. The SoM is designed to work seamlessly with T processors. It's specifically supporting the General Purpose Memory Controller Interface, or GPMC for short. This isn't just any interface. It's built to handle high-speed operations and can manage data with impressive efficiency. Now, let's talk numbers. The FET6254-C boasts a data read and write rate of up to 100 megabytes per second. Flexibility? Check. The FET6254-C supports multiple chip selections. This means you can configure the system to meet specific needs without being boxed into one standard setup. Connectivity is another strong suit of the FET6254-C. It offers a variety of methods to connect with peripheral devices, such as 2 Gigabit Ethernet supported with TSN, USB 2.0, LVDS, MIPI CSI, can FD-UART audio RGB parallel. With this level of precision and efficiency, the possibilities are endless.